What is Sarah? I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, then greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel name is Carltries, but I've actually never tried something on this YouTube channel because I just didn't know what to try yet. So today I thought, why not do 5-Minute Crafts desserts? Because 5-Minute Crafts is known for clickbaiting a lot, but they look so delicious. The things they make, like sometimes I'm like, wow, this looks beautiful. Basically, they just usually don't work. So I thought, why not try them? Because I am really curious about some things because I saw some things that were delicious. I'm not excellent. Is this copyrighted? Okay, I don't know. But anyways, so there's a lot of delicious things on 5-Minute Crafts that they do sometimes. So I thought, why not make this in this video? So in this video, I'll be trying 5-Minute Crafts desserts, and yeah, so I'll show you guys the TikTok while I'm inside the kitchen, and then I'll do them for you guys. So yeah, let's get to the kitchen. Okay, so now I'm inside my kitchen. Well, actually, I'm inside my dining table. So I'm just going to look at the TikTok real quick with you guys so you guys see what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be moving this over here so you guys can see better the video. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay, so already they're chopping up the Kinder bars. At first, I thought there was like 7, but there's actually like only 5. I could not find mascarpone or mascarpone or whatever it's pronounced. I couldn't find a pronunciation either. So I just bought cream cheese, and hopefully that tastes the same. Sugar, vanilla. Yeah. Okay. I'm actually going to be keeping the Kinder toys because I'm actually going to be reusing them for a future video. So yeah. And that's all. Okay. Looks pretty simple. So yeah, I'm gonna start off right now, and yeah. Okay, so I unfortunately don't have a tripod, so I'll just have to put the camera over there. So I got my 5 Kinder bars. So I'm just going to unwrap these. I haven't had Kinder chocolate in a while. They're legal here. So yeah, well, I mean the Kinder eggs, but I'm just going to open these, and I'm just going to chop them up. Okay, so I just chopped up the Kinder chocolate, so I'm just going to leave this here for now, because I think that they added the cream cheese first. So I'm just going to grab some just cream cheese, just this, but yeah. Okay, so it's a literal block. I'm just gonna put these in. Okay, so I added the cream cheese in, so it's like literal blocks together. So I'm just going to smush that a bit. Then I'm going to add 2-3 spoons of white sugar. Okay, so the thing is that the recipe calls for mascarpone or mascarpone, but I am using cream cheese. So it's really hard right now to break the block apart, but I'm just gonna try to break this apart. It's like not frozen, but it's like really hard to break apart. It's like now it's a blob, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, actually it's not breaking apart, so I'm just gonna add the sugar right now. Okay, so I added the sugar. I did not have any vanilla extract, but I have coconut and almond. So I'm just going to sniff these two. Okay, almond, well, coconut smells really good. I don't think I'm gonna add almond. I'm just gonna add coconut for now, but yeah. Now I'm just gonna add all the Kinder chocolate that I chopped up. Gonna add that all in. Yeah, now I understand why they might have asked for mascarpone. it's a blob. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this work. Maybe it just means like the cream cheese needs to be a little bit melted or something. I'll just use a big spoon. Okay, I'm gonna try to add a little bit of milk and see if that will make it more soft. That made it way more soft. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, this is what it's become. So, I don't know what I can do. What I'm actually gonna do now is I'm just going to use a blender actually. Okay, so I used a mixer, got into this. Not much I can do. Yes, I just tried it. It's not that bad. It's quite cheesy, obviously. But yeah. So next I'm just gonna grab the Kinder Eggs and I'm just going to fill them up. I haven't had one of these in like 2 years. Just gotta be careful not to. Okay. Just open that. There's a little toy inside. And I don't know how someone can choke on something that's literally very thin and stuff. But yeah, so I'm just gonna have the popsicle sticks, and I'm just gonna put the thing in, then I'm gonna put the popsicle stick on top. If the first one's done, I'll put this one inside the fridge. I'll see how it tastes when it's ready. Okay guys, so I left that inside the fridge. So now there's just time to wait. I got my fork toys here. I'm just going to be using these for a future upcoming video. But yeah, for now I'm just going to cut the cameras from the kitchen and I'm just going to see you guys when I actually try them once they're ready. Okay, so now it's been like, I don't know, like 30 minutes that's been inside the freezer. So these are what they look like. They look really nice. So I'm just gonna take that out. I'm surprised they turn out to look good, but I wonder if they're going to taste good. They look like lollipops, but they're really chunky and crunchy. I don't know what to think of it. Like, I mean, it tastes like little cheese. But I guess it tastes good. My expectations were more high. Well, I mean, they asked for mascarpone or mascarpone, but we bought cream cheese because we couldn't find any. So, kind of like my fault here, but yeah, these aren't that great. So update, sorry for the quality, I'm inside my basement and there's not much light. So actually the lollipops I said they were disgusting. Actually, if you freeze them, they actually taste not that bad. So I would most likely give this maybe, I don't know, a 5 or 6 out of 10. But before it was definitely like a 1. But now it's like has a higher grade, but yeah. So that's all for today, guys. The cream cheese one was disgusting. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so leave a like and subscribe, and if you want, turn on the notification bell. I've never asked you guys to do that, but it notifies you when I come out with a video, so I just thought I might mention that to you guys. So yeah, bye guys!